Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see that how can we fix the issue where the Google Chrome is loading the sites slowly. So this can be your internet problem, but if you have checked your internet and it is working fine, then it may be a Google Chrome problem. So in this video we are going to see that how can we tackle that. So there are two ways in which we can tackle that. The first thing is you need to open up your Chrome browser and check for the extensions. So just click on these three dots that brings up the menu and go to more tools. From here go to extensions. Here you will see all the extensions that are currently installed onto your system in your Google Chrome browser. Now these are the external softwares that may hamper the memory required by Google Chrome and thus affect its performance. So from here you can simply just remove or uninstall the extensions that you no longer use, or you can disable the extensions that you do not commonly use. Suppose you want to disable an extension, just toggle this button. If you want to completely remove it, click on this remove button. The second thing you can do is again go to these three dots, go to the settings, and here we are going to reset the Google Chrome back to its original settings. So in the search bar just type in the word reset, and here in the reset settings you will get this option, restore settings to their original defaults. So this will actually reset the Chrome settings and the shortcuts. It will disable the extensions and delete the cookie and the temporary site data, but all your bookmarks, your history and your saved passwords won't be affected. So go ahead and click on reset settings, then it would reset all those settings and the speed issue of your Google Chrome has been fixed. Should have been fixed actually. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.